Our markup tools allow you to create simple geometry, text, and dimensions. These tools will snap to both 2D and 3D objects. Auto Shape allows you to create shapes, lines, and curves by dragging your finger across the screen. Auto Shape will then approximate what shape you are trying to draw. For example, draw a star by dragging your finger along the screen in the shape of a star. You can select an entity by tapping. Once selected, you will see a bounding box and several dots or handles. The green handle in the middle moves the object, while the magenta handle on the outside will rotate. The yellow handles change parameters specific to the entity type selected. In this case, dragging the yellow dots will change the length and angle of all the segments. The blue squares represent the endpoints of each segment and can be dragged independently. The Line tool allows you to draw both line segments and closed polylines. To draw a line, you can tap and drag. Hit the check mark to finish the line. To change the line color, open up Properties by selecting the line, then tapping the paintbrush icon. Here you can change the color and style of the line. You can also draw a polyline by tapping to define each point. Notice how the endpoint of each segment snaps to the existing geometry in the drawing. Closed objects can also be filled. Open up the object's properties by tapping the paintbrush icon on the left side toolbar. Next, tap Fill. Here you can change the color, pattern, and transparency of the fill. The Rectangle tool is used to draw squares and rectangles. Once drawn, the object can be resized by dragging the blue dot. The yellow dot can be used to fillet the corners. The Circle tool will draw a circle. The circle can be transformed into an ellipse by dragging the yellow handle towards the center. The Revision cloud draws polylines comprised of sequential arcs. Tap and drag around an area to surround with a revision cloud. Text can be added by tapping the letter icon. The Highlight tool draws a partially transparent thick line. Thickness can be adjusted with the yellow handle. To switch to the Measurement tools, tap the tape measure icon on the left side toolbar. To place text using the Text tool, tap once for the start point of the text, then again to define the angle. You can then add your text. To place text with the Leader tool, first tap where you would like the arrow to point, then where you would like to place the text. Notice when I examine the model, the text is always facing me. To place a linear dimension, tap on 2 points you would like to measure the distance between. The yellow handle can then be used to extend the dimension lines and adjust the placement of the text. Units can be changed in Properties. Place an angular dimension by tapping to place the vertex, then tapping once for each side of the angle. Use the blue handles on each side to adjust the angle. The yellow handle will adjust the position of the text while adjusting the length of the sides accordingly. The Area Measurement tool creates a polygon that displays its area and perimeter. Tap sequentially to create the perimeter and hit the check mark when done. Use the blue handles to adjust the perimeter. Notice the measurements update automatically.